How to pay cash on delivery on Temu. Now the step-by-step process is very easy. As long as you follow through, then you should do not have any problems in the future. So first things first is access your Temu through their official site or from your application. Now in this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome, so just follow through. And here, the very first thing that you do is just to add any products on your cart or any products that you want to purchase directly to your cart. So for example, let's just go ahead and try to access any products here on my current items on the cart. Now we can only be changing the mode of payment to a certain products. So for example, on this one, just have to check out on that product so we can change the mode of payment. Now, if you scroll down on the checkout page, in here you should be able to see payment methods. So that's going to be cash on delivery, through an e-wallet, or through a debit card. Now, just simply change it to cash on delivery, and there is an additional message here that is Temu providing us so that we can enjoy the benefits of COD. You just have to ensure to accept parcels and maintain the availability of the service. And then for cash on delivery, they only accept refunds to Temu credit. And that's it. That's how you pay cash on delivery on Temu.